So how do you call someone through the contacts on your iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the point is that the iPads don't have the cellular functionality of an iPhone. And even with a SIM card installed to the iPad, you cannot perform the regular phone calls. So you'll need to rely on different services. For example, you can use the different like FaceTime features on your iPad, right? So you can go to the contacts and look up individual contacts, tap on the phone call, and you will have the ability to choose from like different options, right? So for example, if you have access to, you can use the Google Meet, you can make a call through WhatsApp, right? You can make a call through the voice app if you have that, or even FaceTime, right? If you have added the proper number, right? So as I tell in here, it's not just the same way as on iPhone where you can use the mobile cellular calls. In here, you can only use over the internet calling only, right? So it depends on what you have added to this account or like contact in here, but you should be able to use like the WhatsApp if you have it set up, or if you have again the FaceTime or a different calling like Zoom or whatever. You can only use those things to perform the phone call. Even when I go to the phone application on my iPad, you can see that I have only the ability to recall or perform like the FaceTime audio, Meet video, and all of these like random calls. So it's never using the cellular network like on the iPhone. So I hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.